PBS Kids presents Eleanor Wonders Why That's So Interesting.
Hello, explorers! Today we're exploring real questions from kids like you.
Hi, I'm Jorge.
And I'm Olive. I just love
Olive, you have the hiccups.
I do. It's something my body does all by itself.
Yeah, hiccups are very interesting. And actually, today's question is about hiccups.
Really?
Yeah, here's the question.
Audrey from Denver, Colorado wants to know,
Hi, Olive. I wonder, do animals get the hiccups?
That's a great question. Thank you, Audrey. You know, I noticed that I hiccup, and I'm a person, which is an animal.
And I'm an animal, too. I'm an elephant. And I definitely hiccup.
But do other animals hiccup too?
Dun dun dun! It's a mystery. A hiccup mystery.
Well, how should we explore this question together?
I know. Let's observe different animals and see if they hiccup.
That's a great idea, Olive. Let's see.
Look, it's a puppy. Aww. It just hiccuped. The puppy hiccuped. It did it again.
I guess dogs hiccup. I wonder if lions hiccup.
They do. That lion is hiccuping. So some animals definitely hiccup.
Yeah, let's try observing other animals.
I wonder if birds hiccup. It doesn't look like it hiccups. It's a fish. Does it hiccup? It doesn't look like it hiccups.
So, what do you think, Olive?
It looks like some animals hiccup and others don't.
You're right, Olive. Lots of animals in nature hiccup, but not all of them do. Scientists think real hiccups only happen in mammals. Mammals are animals like people, cats, and squirrels that have hair or fur and have live babies instead of laying eggs. But scientists aren't really sure why anyone gets the hiccups.
It really is a mystery.
That's right, Olive. Oh, now I have the hiccups.
Well, one thing we know for sure about hiccups. They're pretty fun.
Oh, good one.